My name is Puglia. I'm the owner of WesTrac Civil. WesTrac Civil is an earth moving business. I do asphalt preps, general earthworks, drainage. My family has been in earth moving for a very long time. Mum didn't want me to go into it. Me and my brother, we both have always been in earth moving and we work together. He's got a good fleet of cat gear. He's a big cat fan, so I kind of just followed in his path. WesTrac Civil currently has a 255 WesTrac next gen, and then just bought a smart grader blade, which will have GPS potentially for the future. I dealt with Trevor Hearn to get my 255. I had an older machine before, kept breaking down, so I bought this cat for the reliability. Trevor helped me find the right machine. He led me to the 255 cat, which is perfect for me, perfect size. Dealing with him was great. He got the quote to me and I pretty much said, yep. He got finance rolling and I had the machine pretty quick and I haven't had any problems with it since. I've just installed Catch Central on my phone. If I need a part anywhere, I just whip out my phone, go onto the app, click what I want, and then it gets sent to me. So it's pretty straightforward. Having WesTrac everywhere in Australia makes me feel a lot comfortable because if I break down, I know I can have a part there straight away, not waiting 6 weeks for it. So it gets me back working, because if I'm down, then I'm losing money, I can't work. The best thing about dealing with WesTrac is that you get good, reliable gear. I stick with WesTrac because they're amazing to deal with and I like the yellow cat badge. It's pretty critical for my customers to know that I've got good, reliable gear, so they know that their jobs will get done properly and on time, instead of having machines break down all the time. If you're just starting out like me, walk into WesTrac, don't be afraid to give them a shot. You're not just a number, they'll look after you and they'll get you what you want.